Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in an Epson Expression Home XP435. Now, unlike other older models of Epson printers, you can't replace the ink cartridges on this one just by lifting the scanner bed and having the cradle slide across. But it can, however, be done from the printer without the use of the attached computer. So, we're going to move ourselves along using the arrows on the front until we get to Setup. We go into Setup, and we need to go to the second option down, which is Maintenance. So we press OK to go into that. And it's quite simple. We just go down to ink cartridge replacement and press OK. Now, just press the button indicator to start. And now's the time we open up the lid of the printer. So here we go. Now with the lid of the printer open, you should see the cartridge cradle has moved over here, but there's a break in this little shelf bit here, so you can access and remove any ink cartridge you desire. So just press down the clip at the back, pop them out and replace as you need. When you're done, pop the lid down, press the same start button, and your printer will check the cartridges. Now it's just making sure that it's happy with what you've installed there and it can carry on printing using them. Take just a couple seconds and there you go. Right, I hope you found this useful. If you have, please do give us a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.